So good afternoon. So before we start our lesson, I want you to put your hands together and feel the presence of the Lord. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptations, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Okay, so how are you doing today? Are you doing okay? Or are you feeling down? If we're doing okay, thumbs up. Okay, I hope you're doing okay because today is a cold day, right? It was raining heavily yesterday. So before we start our lesson, we are going to first have our spelling activity. So do you have your paper and your pencil with you? Okay, so are you ready? Okay, number one, build. Number one, build. Number two, drill. Number two, drill. My dad used a drill to make a hole. Number three, glasses. Number three, glasses. Number four, hammer. Number four, hammer. My dad used his hammer to fix the door. Hammer. Number five, level. Number five, level. I'm currently at level 9 before the boss. Level. Number six, measure. Number six, measure. I am going to measure my height. I am going to measure my height. Number seven, nail. Number seven, nail. I accidentally broken my nail. Nail. Number eight, power. Number eight, power. Turn off all power if it is raining hard. Power. Number nine, repair. Number nine, repair. We need to repair the broken TV. We need to repair the broken TV. And number 10, safety. Number 10, safety. Okay, if you're done, I want you to check your work and always remember to be honest with your work. Okay, I'm giving you a minute or 2 minutes to check your work. Here are the answers. Number one, build. Number two, drill. Number three, glasses. Number four, hammer. Number five, level. Number six, measure. Number seven, nail. Number eight, power. Number nine, repair. And number 10, safety. Okay, so I hope you did great. I want you to keep your work, okay? Keep your work. Because next time we're going to upload it to our LMS. So next, what did we talk about last week? We talked about the irregular plural form or the plural form of irregular noun, right? Do you remember that? If not, you can still review your past lesson in your LMS, okay? Okay. So, now we are going to talk about a new topic. Our topics our topic is about mass and count nouns. Okay, can you look at this picture? Can you count rice? No, not right. You cannot count rice. How about water? Can you count every drop? Or can you count the ocean or the sea? No, you can't count the ocean or you can't count the water. So those things are called mass nouns. Mass nouns are nouns that you can't count. So I have here another example or more example. Soil. Can you count soil? No, it's hard to count it one by one. And like the water, can you count juice? No, you cannot. And also, can you count flour or meat? When you buy meat, you don't say, can I buy 2 meats? It is served per kilo, right? You buy it per kilo. So you can't actually count meat. Okay, so the next one, but teacher, how about if we can count things? They are called count nouns. Count nouns are nouns that you can actually count. For example, eggs. You can count eggs, right? Like 3 eggs, 2 eggs, 1 egg. And a hamburger, you can count a hamburger. Also, you can also count a carrot and an apple. So those are called count nouns. Okay. Now let's try to do this. Tell me if oxygen is a mass noun or a count noun. It is a it is a mass noun because you can't count oxygen, right? Because it's the air that you breathe. How about bicycle? Can you count bicycle? Yes, it is a count noun. How about corn? Uh-uh. It's not a count noun. It is a mass noun. Because corns are those what do you call that part of that food? Like this, can you see it? It looks like that. That's the corn. So you can't actually count all of those in the main fruit, right? So that is a mass noun. How about soil? It is a mass noun because you can't count soil. And a phone, you actually can count a phone. So that is a count noun. How about horse? Mass or count? Count. How about envy? It's mass because you can't see. Envy, you can only feel. How about flower? Flower as in the one, as in a plant. It's a count noun because you can actually count flowers. How about plastic? It is also a count noun because you can count plastic. It's not the feeling or the attitude, okay? That's a different one. So how about swimming? Can you count swimming? Like I'm going to do 2 swimming. Oh, that's not correct, right? So that is a mass noun because that is an act activity. Okay, so now let's try to do this on your own. I'll give you like, I think I'll give you 3 minutes to do this, okay? So on your notebook, only only write mass or count. Write mass. If you can if you cannot count it, write mass. If you can count it, write count. Okay, let me put it here. If you cannot count it, write mass. But if you can count it, write count. Okay, I'll give you time to finish it. Okay, so now let's try to check your word. Can you count milk? No, so that makes it a mass noun. How about eggs? Can you count eggs? Yes, so it is a count noun. A teacher, how about sugar? Can you count sugar? No, so that makes it a mass noun. And time, actually time can be a count and can be a mass noun. But in this sentence, Devon asked for more time to finish his test. You don't know how many time he needs. So that makes it a mass noun. How about music? Can you count music? No, that makes it a mass noun. How about books? Can you count books? Yes, you can count books. That's why it is a count noun. How about research? No, you can't count research. That's why it is a mass noun. Okay, did you understand our lesson? Again, mass noun are things or are nouns that you cannot count. While count nouns are the nouns or are nouns that you can count. So that is the difference between mass noun and count noun. So now we are going to do or you can now copy your homework. So this is already posted in your LMS. I'm just going to explain it for a bit. So here you will see sets of words, and I want you to make two tables or two boxes and then choose from this one, from these words, which ones are mass nouns, and then choose which words are count nouns. You write it on your notebook and then upload it to your LMS. If you still have any questions, I'll see you again on Thursday. Okay. Thank you. And I hope you understand our lesson. But if you're still confused, I'm going to upload these slides that I use to your LMS. Okay. So thank you and have a great day.